Today we are working on Jasper Active Lesson 5, the third lesson within that, preparing to print. So I'm going to close this navigation pane that we had open in the last document. So with the Navigating Adventures approved, final file open, click File and then Print in the left panel. You're now previewing the document as it will appear when printed. Zoom into the document to see if the watermark makes it difficult to read the text. Increase the size of the preview so you can see the watermark over the headings. We did that while the color is slightly dark, the text is easy to read. So remember, you're viewing this document in color, so if printing to a black and white printer, the printed report will display varying shades of gray. In the latter case, you'll need to adjust the color of the watermark and preview the document to prevent how the watermark blends with the text color. You may also want to change the theme, as the light green headings may print in a light gray, making it difficult to see the text. Click the Zoom to page at the bottom right field to return to the preview of the full page. So that's right here. Click the page buttons to move from one page to the next and back so you can see the page of each document. So it's talking about clicking here and it shows you these. Change the number of copies to 3. Right here you see that it's 1, so we're going to change that to 3. Now change some printer settings to see how those affect the document. Click the portrait orientation right here, and we're going to change it to landscape. You see how it affected that. Click normal margins and then click narrow. Normal margins, narrow. Even though the margins and the orientation were changed, the document is still 4 pages in length. Change the orientation back to portrait. On review of this change, reset the margins to normal. Change that back to normal. At this point, you could click print and send the document to printer. For the purposes of this exercise, click the back button to return to the document. So this is the back arrow. And this completes this lesson. So let's submit it. And you see we did everything correctly. So this completes preparing to print.